I am Winchell Williams here in Massachusetts, and I just want to wish everybody a Tomati Seal Clarendon a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yes, it's me, Tanisha Gulaz. Some girl talk about how come me couldn't get my visa, but when I'm there Antigua, I start my own nail shop. Anyway, to my good friend Ty Tisha and Skitalisha, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hello, I'm Donovan Donovanson here in Manchester, UK, sending greetings to my mom and my dad in Manchester, Jamaica. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I am Miss Daria Punimakery, and I just want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all the saints at the Yam Hill Pentecostal Church of God in Christ Tabernacle Seventh-day Adventist. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yo, you all know see a clicker speng this at Toronto. I'm going to wish everybody a fire lane downtown and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hi darlings, this is Jackie DeFreitas and I'm here in Geneva and I want to wish everyone back home happy holidays, whether you can only afford a Captain Bakery or you can afford a $1,000 cake. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.